Hey everyone, I'm here today to talk about a topic that's incredibly important, yet often overlooked in the healthcare community: overcoming narcissistic abuse. As healthcare professionals, you spend your days caring for others, but it's just as crucial to take care of yourselves, especially when facing personal challenges like narcissistic abuse. Step 1 is recognizing the abuse. Narcissistic abuse can be subtle and insidious, manifesting as emotional manipulation, gaslighting, or even neglect. It's essential to identify these behaviors not just in your personal relationships, but also potentially at your workplace. Acknowledge the impact this has on your mental health and the way it makes you feel. This recognition is your first step towards healing. Moving on to step 2, self-empathy. This step is about turning the empathy you so readily give to your patients back onto yourself. Understand that it's okay to feel hurt, confused, or angry. Self-empathy involves acknowledging your feelings without judgment and giving yourself the compassion and kindness you deserve. This can be challenging, but it's a vital step in healing your inner soul. Finally, step 3 is seeking support. Whether it's professional therapy, support groups, or confiding in trusted colleagues, remember that you're not alone. Sharing your experiences with others who understand can be incredibly validating and empowering. It also helps build a community of support that can stand together against such challenges. To my fellow healthcare professionals, remember that taking care of your mental health is just as vital as caring for your physical health. Overcoming narcissistic abuse is tough, but with these steps, I believe you can start on the path to recovery and continue to be the incredible caregivers that you are. Thank you for all that you do, and take care of yourselves. Love.